Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's time for another edition of me trying something new. Let's hope this goes better than the last time I tried something new. The new thing I'm going to try today is to dye my eyebrows. Now I'm not dyeing them any sort of crazy color. I'm just trying to darken them up a bit because in certain lights I have really light eyebrows and I just want to see how it is to darken them. Normally I just put some eyebrow pencil on my eyebrows and call it good, but I'm hoping that if I dye them a little bit of a darker color, then I won't have to do that, and that would be awesome. For this venture, I just got this tint kit online. I'm going to follow the instructions. Okay, so this comes with developer. Here are the color capsules. It says that there are 20. This cute little brush, I'm guessing to put it on. And a little tiny mixing cup. Now let's read these here instructions. As a first step, I just put my hair back and washed my eyebrows, which I know sounds really silly, but it said to remove any sorts of dirt and oils from your eyebrows, so that's what I did.
Then you take a 1/4 teaspoon of the developer, which is basically nothing, and then break up one of the capsules into your little mixing bowl with the developer and blend it together into a nice dye paste.
Oh my gosh, that got everywhere. Wow, okay. I don't have a mirror, so I'm just kind of winging it. My mirror's over there in the dark. Alright, I'm gonna go check this in the mirror to make sure I got everything covered and then only wait probably 1.5 minutes. That'll be quick, and then I'm just gonna rinse it off. Here are the brows. After I wash them, I will say, you know how I had it all over my face because I wasn't doing it in front of a mirror. Next time I will do it in front of a mirror because the skin was stained here and I had to scrub it with a washcloth and it's still a little stained right here. So be as precise as you can to avoid that, especially if you're using a really dark tint color. It didn't look crazy dark, but compared to how they did look, it is a good amount darker, so I'm glad I didn't leave it on for longer. It didn't really burn or irritate my skin or my eyes at all, which is great. I definitely need to do some plucking now that I can see more of my eyebrows, and then I'll show you guys how it looks with me and my regular routine. It has now been 3 days since I applied the dye to my eyebrows. The tinting on my skin that I mentioned came off in my very first shower. I'm still going to be more careful when I apply it and apply it to just my eyebrows, but it didn't end up being anything to worry about that it got on my skin. My first reaction was that it was too dark because I was used to using a blonde eyebrow pencil, but I bought brown. It was a light brown, so obviously it was brown. But after about 10 minutes, I was already used to the color of them, and I think it was dark enough for them to stand out, but not so dark that it looked crazy. Anyway, I've had them for 3 days now, and it has been really nice. I'm definitely going to keep up with it just because it's so quick. The whole process is probably like less than 5 minutes. Wash brows, mix dye, apply dye, wait 1 minute, rinse. The end. That's it. And the kit I bought is really cost effective. It was only about $1 per application, and I have enough applications for a very long time. I will call this venture a win. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. If you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you have tried this in the past or you decide to try it because of this video, please let me know in the comments. check out the other videos that I have on my channel, and maybe even subscribe. See you next time.